testimony of what Coach Alden teach these players. It's just being responsible. Naging responsable sila throughout the game. Okay, we don't have any problems. Ako, kasama ko yung coaching staff na kahit anong paggawa namin sa kanila sa court, kahit na alam namin mahirap, kahit alam namin na pagod na sila, okay, they'll still find a way na mag-submit dun sa coaching staff tsaka dun sa hiningi ng system.
Hey Ben, what can you say about the victory?
Well, like as a team, we were able to, stick to the game plan without coach being there and without Gerard. It's like a test for us to show what you can do even if we don't have a coach or our leader is not there. And I'm really proud of the way the guys played. We all stick together and we're still able to listen to coach and get the job done. And I can also say that we did it for coach because he wasn't there. He had our back during the last game, but he got ejected. It is we have to give it to him.
Wait. Yeah, ano masasabi mo pa?
Wala, sobrang na-enjoy enjoy ko yung game. Enjoy namin yung game. Every possession. Yun, ganda ng ikot ang bola namin yung defense.
Guys, question?
Coach, what changed for the second quarter when you had that 5-1 lead?
I told them right from the start, I told them to make life really hard for every possession. Make talagang pahirapan nyo yung bola, pahirapan nyo yung passing lane. And we knew na by third quarter, it's payoff time na. So, beside during the halftime, sinabi ko sa kanila na trabahuhin pa namin. We have to double the effort. Okay, kailangan mapunta kami talaga sa ulo ng kalaban namin. Ayun talaga yung, and that's mayhem. Ayun yung mayhem basketball talaga.
Wala si coach, ikaw yung interim para sa'yo, yung pakiramdam na nakalang ka, tapos pinito sa
Sa akin naman, kasi habang, again, di ba, magkasama na kami ni Aldin for a long time. Si Aldin actually used to be my player way back. So kilala ko na siya. So alam ko kung ano yung gusto niya. Alam ko kung ano yung dapat mangyari sa court na alam kong gusto niya. So in-execute ko lang yun.
Talk about your dunks.
Well, I would say it was just a fast break, and I was lucky enough that my teammate the floor and we just threw it out. Just jumped and I caught it. I think it was just that when you play, you really into the game. Things just happen. Things that won't happen.
And did you and Thomas work on that specific game practice?
Yeah.
Was that a bad pass?
I think that was good. Most of the time when he sees me running the floor, I'm not gonna lie, we just do it in the back and I have to do the rest.
And talk about your first Emilio Lozano experience. Talk about the atmosphere. Talk about that.
Well, it was pretty intense. The guy came out. They really came out strong. We were really shooting well, but like you said a while ago, we just stick to the game plan and we were able to, get the win.
What can you say na about yung shoot kayo ng first round? Coach.
Wala namang hindi talaga nag-cross yung sa mind namin yung mag-swim. Kasi sa amin, tulad nga na sinabi ni Coach, hindi pa kami buo. Kumbaga, every game, alam na rin naman natin, every game may bagong challenge dun sa team. So maganda lang, nagre-respond kami. Every challenge at every game, medyo nag-i-improve.
What's your assessment of the first round? Because Coach said before, you're at 70-75%. So how would you evaluate?
Siguro after the first round, it's gonna be still like that. Why? Kasi nakakalaban na namin lahat and definitely the other teams, magkakaroon ng maraming adjustment yan. Yung mga rookies sa ibang teams, okay, nakakuha na ng confidence nila. Yung ibang teams, mas nag-come together na. So lahat yan, nag-improve na. So kami, ready rin. Ganun din kami. Okay, magpe-prepare pa kami. Kaya we cannot say right now na na-reach na namin yung game na gusto namin. Kasi kasabay nung pag-improve ng team namin, nag-i-improve din yung kalaban namin. And we really give so much respect dun sa kalaban.
Coach, what specific aspects do you think you need to improve on since sabi niyo every day may improvement? So, ano specific na kailangan kita mo na focus?
Siguro, kasi before entering this game, kami yata yung sa stats yata kami yata yung pinakamaraming mag-turnover eh. Kami yung malakas mag-force ng turnover. On the other side, kami rin yung mataas ang turnover ratio. Itong game na to, 17, I think it's the lowest na commit namin. And we still want to work on that. Okay, gusto pa namin alagaan yung bola, pero gusto namin maalagaan namin yung bola na ganun pa rin yung pace ng game. Hindi kami maghihinga.
Ano ba lang si Coach? Nanonood sa bahay or...
Nasa dorm.
Which was the status of Jerome? It was mentioned he'll be gone for a week.
Yeah, he'll be gone for a week. Sana mabilis din. Sige, malakas naman si Jeron eh. I know kahit na may nagkaroon ng operation, malakas yung bata. Sana makabalik din kagad.
Guys, at this point in time, you remain undefeated. What's inspiring you?
Siguro yung, again, masaya kami sa bawat isa. Yung pinipreach ni Coach na alam ng each and everyone knows the strength ng bawat isa yung bawat isa. Samahan.
Are you still playing with a vengeance after missing last season? Oh, well, honestly, I was kind of eager being out.